We're now on top of page 25, problem solving step number 5, choose, plan, and evaluate. Good problem solving is always goal oriented. We always have an end game. The best option is the one which gets us to our goal with the fewest negative consequences. After making a choice, make a solid plan to reach the goal. Later, look back and evaluate your success. That's how we learn, that's how we grow. To make a plan, you want to ask yourself a couple questions. 1. Whose help or involvement is needed? This is when brainstorming is important. It helps you think through the scenario to look at what resources you might need. Who else do you need to involve? 2nd, when would be the best time? Have you ever heard the phrase, timing is everything? 3rd, exactly what will I do or say? Sometimes developing a script and practicing, rehearsing is very important to delivering the message. 4th, what's my plan B? We always want to have alternative actions that we can take just in case things don't quite work out the way we had hoped. You also want to evaluate and ask yourself a couple questions. 1, what can I learn from this situation? Again, we want to know what we can do differently next time for ourselves and for others. And secondly, what will I do the same? What will I do differently? And how can I learn from this experience? So, we're going to go back into the groups that you just came from for your breakouts. We will select the problem statements and we will go through these 5 steps. They're on the bottom of page 25, so you can refer to them. You want to identify a reasonable goal for the situation. Secondly, cross off all options which create negative consequences. Again, we want to try to minimize the negative effects. 3rd, circle the option that gets the person closest to their goal. End game is the best option. 4th, discuss a detailed plan for using the option. That may be where that script comes into play, or you're rehearsing what you want to say. That's part of your plan. And 5th, what could this person learn from the situation? We always want to do better next time, but we got to get through this situation in order to build that skill.